Check the air conditioning fittings first. If there are no skylights you need to mark and cut holes in the 4 corners. After opening the hole, use the angle grinder to cut out the size of 40 cm in length and 60 cm in width. Once that's done, there's a lining that needs to be cut out so that the skylight is cut to size. The second step, clean up the installation of waterproof seals, must be waterproof measures to ensure that it will not leak when it rains heavily. Then apply waterproof glue. The whole thing looks like this. Start fixing the